Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we're making the lovely Gin Fizz. While closely related to the Tom Collins, instead of being built in the glass with ice, a Gin Fizz is shaken, often with egg white. While closely related to the Tom Collins, instead of being built in the glass with ice, a Gin Fizz is shaken, often with egg white, and topped with club soda to create this beautiful, frothy drink, served in a fizz glass. Despite its white cloudy appearance, it will eventually settle out into a translucent yellow. For ingredients, you'll need gin, a nice London Dry will do, such as Tanqueray, freshly squeezed lemon juice, simple or rich simple syrup, I prefer the latter for a more rounded texture, club soda, and egg white. Once you've squeezed your lemons and grabbed a fizz glass, gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab a bar mat, shaker tin, jigger, and measure 1/3 ounce of 2:1 rich simple syrup, or 1/2 ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. Three-quarters of an ounce of lemon juice, 1.5 ounces of gin, and 3/4 of an ounce of egg white. Add a couple cubes of ice for dilution, and shake until you can no longer hear the ice. Grab your fizz glass and double strain your cocktail into your glass. Top with club soda, and there you have the Gin Fizz. Now let's give it a taste. Despite the expected dry botanicals of the gin and the brightness of the lemon juice, the soft texture from the egg white and rich simple syrup leave a gentle, tart drink that's super crushable. As a Tom Collins drinker, I highly enjoyed this one, and I definitely recommend making one for summer. Thanks everyone for watching. Which do you prefer, the Tom Collins or the Gin Fizz? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.